ke aloha. I'm Kumaile coming to you from Kahale Hoʻaka on the island of Molokaʻi. Today's Mana'o Monday ʻōlelo noʻeau is Hoʻokāhi ka ʻilau likiana. Let's say it all together. Hoʻokāhi ka ʻilau likiana. And that translates to wield the paddles together. Meaning we need to work together. When you're in a waʻa or a canoe, then you know it is so crucial that everyone hits their paddles into the water at the same moment. And what that does is it allows the whole waʻa to lift and glide right across the kai or the ocean. So that can be brought into the workplace, into the classroom, into home, to remind you how crucial it is that everybody is on the same page when you're working as a team or an ohana or a class, whatever it might be. So let's say it from the beginning all together. A'oia. Hoʻokāhi ka ʻilau likiana. A'oia. Our ha'awina ʻōlelo Hawaii for today is such a big one. We use it all the time, but a lot of times we don't know what it means. So today we will learn what Koʻolau and Kona mean. Repeat after me. Our first Huaʻōlelo is Koʻolau. Koʻolau means eastward. And so we refer to our trade winds as Koʻolau winds. They usually come from the northeast. We also refer to the mountain ranges or the side of the island, which is the east end that have all the big mountains, as the Koʻolau side of the islands, yeah? So let's say it all together one more time. Koʻolau. Maikaʻi. Now the other word is Kona. Say it with me, Kona. So Kona, yes, it is a place of the island of Hawaii, but almost every island has a Kona district. And Kona means south. Ah. So let's try those two words together. Koʻolau. Kona. Maikaʻi. Malama pono. Ahui ho.